This video is a flashback collection of 6 Thanksgiving time meal and drink recipes. Hopefully it'll give you some new ideas for the holiday. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours. Today I'm trying out my new Charbroil Big Easy Turkey Air Fryer. I've injected a 16-pound bird with garlic butter, coated it with olive oil, and then did a rub with seasoned salt, paprika, and pepper. I preheated the cooker for 15 minutes, then added the bird. Monitored the meat temp to a perfect 160 degrees. 10 minutes per pound, and 2.5 hours later, we had a perfectly cooked turkey, a golden exterior, and a moist and juicy interior. Friends and family loved it. So I give this cooker a double thumbs up rating. Next time, we're going to try some ribs. Welcome back to our family's kitchen. Today, we're going to be talking about the day after Thanksgiving and getting a little creative with some leftovers. We will be taking the dinner basics and making a turkey pot pie. So let's get started. So while we're cooking, I've got a little Florida story for you. Man calls his daughter. When she answers the phone, he says, "Honey, I've got some bad news. I'm divorcing your mother." "But why, Dad? What happened?" she says. He says, "I've been miserable for years. I can't take it anymore. I've packed my bags and I'm leaving tonight." "Wait, Dad, don't do anything drastic. I'm coming over to talk to you guys. Can you at least wait until tomorrow?" "Okay, I will. But can you bring John and the kids too? I'm sure your mom would like to see them." The daughter says, "Okay, see you then." Man hangs up the phone, calls out to his wife and says, "Oh, honey, the kids are coming over for Thanksgiving." By the way, you don't have to wait until Thanksgiving to do this. This recipe can be done with a roasted chicken, a bag of frozen mixed veggies, a jar of gravy, and a box of stuffing. Get yourself a tube of biscuits and you can have this yummy pot pie anytime. Well, I guess I'm done for today. As always, thanks for joining us. Please subscribe. Visit us again. Until next time, Nastrovia.
Don't leave yet. We've got a couple of drinks for you. This is it. Don't leave without your cider. Thanks for joining us. We hope you'll subscribe and join us again.